Most men have no idea they're already losing before they even open their mouth. You could be well-dressed, confident, successful, and still walk away with nothing. Not because you said the wrong thing, but because you asked the wrong question, and that one mistake, it's silently killing your chances with every woman you're interested in, every single time. You don't even see it happening. She smiles, she's polite, the conversation ends, and then she never thinks about you again. Not once. You become just another face she forgot by the time she got home. But what if one question, just one, could completely change that? What if instead of being forgotten, you became the guy she couldn't stop thinking about all night? Not because you're the richest, not because you're the most good-looking man in the room, but because you said something that stuck deep inside her mind, like a song she can't get out of her head, something that made her feel something she didn't expect. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Stay with me because what's coming in this video is going to completely change the way you talk to women and, more importantly, the way they remember you. Welcome to Lauren Pon Academy, the place where we don't just talk about confidence, we build it. Where real men come to learn real strategies that actually work in the real world. I'm glad you're here, and I promise you, you showed up on the right day. Now, real quick, if this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. Seriously, welcome to the family. Is this your first time here? If it is, do me a favor right now. Hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss what we drop next. You don't want to be the guy who missed it. Let's get into it. Here is the truth that nobody is teaching men right now. Ordinary questions get ordinary results. When you walk up to a woman and ask, "So what do you do for work?" or "How was your weekend?" you have already lost. Not because those questions are wrong, but because every other guy is asking the exact same thing. You blend into the background like wallpaper. She answers you on autopilot, smiles politely, and her mind is already somewhere else. You are not creating a moment, you are filling silence. And a woman cannot think about a man all night who never made her feel anything in the first place. Forgettable questions create forgettable men. It is that simple. And if you have ever walked away from a conversation thinking it went well, only to never hear from her again, now you know exactly why. You played it safe, and safe is invisible. So let's talk about what actually works and why it works on a psychological level. There is something called the emotional imprint. When a person experiences a moment that makes them feel something unexpected, something real, something that catches them off guard in a beautiful way, their brain holds on to it. It replays it. It searches for meaning in it. Scientists call it the Zeigarnik effect. The mind obsesses over experiences that feel unfinished, open, and emotionally charged. When you ask a woman a question that touches something deep, something she doesn't get asked every day, you create an open loop inside her mind, and her brain will keep coming back to close that loop long after you have walked away. She is not thinking about the guy who asked what she does for work. She is thinking about the guy who made her feel something she wasn't ready for. That is the edge, that is the secret, and that is exactly what you are about to have in your hands. Now here is the question. Lean in because this is the moment everything changes. Look at her with calm confidence and ask her this. If you could relive one moment in your life, not change it, just feel it again, what would it be? That is it. That is the question. Simple, clean, powerful, beyond measure. Now, here is why it works on every level. First, it is completely unexpected. She has never been asked that in a casual conversation. It stops her autopilot response cold. Second, it immediately pulls her into a positive emotional memory. She is now feeling something warm, something meaningful right there in front of you. Third, and this is the key, she associates that feeling with you. You became the person who unlocked that emotion. You are now tied to one of the best feelings she has ever had. Her mind will return to that conversation again and again because it meant something. The tone matters. Do not rush it. Do not smirk. Ask it like you genuinely want to know, because the question only works when it comes from a place of real curiosity and quiet confidence. Deliver it right and watch everything shift. Let me paint the picture so you can see this in action. Imagine two men approach the same woman at a social event. The first man asks her what she does for a living, compliments her smile, talks about himself for 5 minutes and leaves. Pleasant enough, completely forgettable. The second man, that's you now, waits for a natural pause, looks at her with genuine presence, and asks that one question. She pauses. She thinks maybe she laughs a little in surprise. Then she opens up. She shares something real, something personal, and in that moment, a real human connection is made. By the time she gets home that night, she is not thinking about the first guy. She is replaying her conversation with you. She is wondering what else you would have asked. She is checking her phone. That is the power of one intentional question delivered with confidence. You did not chase her. You did not perform for her. You simply created a moment she could not forget. That is attraction at its highest level. Now, before you go out and use this, there are 3 mistakes that will destroy everything if you are not careful. Mistake number 1, asking it too early. Do not open with this question the second you meet her. Build 30 seconds of normal, warm conversation first, so she is relaxed and present. Then ask it. Timing is everything. Mistake number 2, not listening to her answer. This is where most men fail. They ask a great question and then nod blankly while already thinking about what to say next. Do not do that. Actually listen. Follow up on what she shares. Ask her why that moment meant so much. Go deeper. That follow-up is where the real magic happens. Mistake number 3, using it like a trick. Women are intuitive. If you are asking with a rehearsed grin just to impress her, she will feel it and she will shut down. This only works when it comes from genuine interest. Be real. Be present. Be the man who actually wants to know her answer. Do those 3 things and you will never be forgotten again. Here is what it all comes down to. One question asked with genuine confidence and real presence can do what hours of performance never could. It creates a moment, it creates a feeling, and it creates a memory that she carries with her long after the conversation is over. You are not just learning how to talk to women, you are learning how to connect with people on a level that most men never reach. That is what separates the man she forgets from the man she cannot stop thinking about. It is never about being the loudest, the flashiest, or the most impressive person in the room. It is about being the most real, and now you know how to do that. Listen, I want you to hear this clearly. You already have everything it takes to create that kind of connection. What you needed was the knowledge, and now you have it. The man who asks the right question with the right energy is the man who wins every single time, not because he got lucky, but because he understood something powerful, and he used it. That is you. Now walk into that next conversation knowing you carry something most men don't. Carry it with calm, carry it with confidence, and watch how everything around you starts to shift. You are not chasing anymore, you are attracting, and that feeling that is just the beginning of what is possible for you. And I am going to leave you right here with this. What I showed you today is only one piece of the puzzle. In the next video, I am revealing the one thing you do in the first 60 seconds of meeting a woman that either makes her instantly drawn to you or permanently puts you in the friend zone. And most men have no idea they are doing it wrong every single time. You do not want to miss that one. Make sure you are subscribed so it lands right in your feed the moment it drops. If this video helped you today, hit that like button right now. It tells me to keep making content like this, and it helps other men find this channel who need it just as much as you did. Share this with a friend, a brother, someone in your life who is struggling in this area. You might change his entire situation just by sending him this video. And drop a comment below. Tell me your biggest takeaway from today, or ask me a question and I will get back to you personally. I read every single one. This is Lauren Pon Academy. I will see you in the next